Alrighty, so you had to buy yourself a new TV because your old one, well, it got old and it stopped working, right? Turn it on, black screen, doesn't work right. Or maybe you upgraded your TV to a bigger one. Anyway, you ordered it off of Walmart and you saw that they're going to charge you $75 to put the TV up for you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take a guess, since I only ordered the TV and they wanted to charge me $75 to put the TV up. I'm going to guess that they kind of thought I already had a wall hanger out. Well, which I do. But I don't want to pay no $75. Not when it's this easy. And we'll show you how to save that money for yourself. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull your TV out and you're going to want to find where the faceplate meets the wall hanger, right? So this faceplate here meets the wall hanger right here. So you guys want to take that bolt or screw or whatever it is out. And let that clip kind of fall down there a little bit. This one had one on both sides. I went ahead and took the other one off. And I got to find a screw for that. Once that's done though, of course you probably should unplug your TV, huh? You're going to pull it out and up to remove the TV from the wall mount. Pretty simple so far. Now with it down off the wall, now all you gotta do is figure out how to get your faceplate off. Your faceplate may be a little different. But they're essentially the same thing. There's probably gonna be 4 bolts holding the faceplate on. You just take them out. And try to keep the pieces together, right? I mean, we're going to see that this one has washer on top of the bolt, so I'm just going to keep that where it is and take both off. Hopefully you kept your old hardware. It's going to take the 8 I think it's M8 by 20 millimeter ones here. But you're just going to want to put them back into the holes. Might help if I had that a little closer. So we're just going to replace these old bolts with the shorter ones, since this one takes shorter ones. Not that big of a deal, not that hard. But of course the hook parts are going to be towards the top, and the non-hooked parts are going to be towards the bottom. The one with the latch, right? So we'll go ahead and get this other one on. Now where you put it is going to depend on what you want. Me personally, I'm going to put it back where I had it, whereas I'm using the bottom hole here. And then you're going to use a washer. The one, the plastic washers on the top one, and the bottom one we're not going to worry too much about. Whoopsie, I put the same long bolt back on. That wasn't too smart, was it? Get that shorter bolt in there. There we go. And we'll just get that top one lined up here. Get her in there. And we'll put the washer on the bottom. Get that bottom lined up. And go ahead and get that in there as well. There we go. We got our faceplate back on. Time for the next step. Your next step's going to be a real simple one. You're going to pick your TV up. And you can put those 2 little hooks right over top of that. Right over top of the wall mount. Make sure that they're both on there though. The other side is not. Yeah, it's not. There we go. Now that she's on there, now we can slide her around to where we want to put her. And you're just going to want to take your clip here. Actually, we'll just try to move this out so you can see a little better. It's not going to move too well. Flip your clip up. Put your bolt through the hole. Same way as when you took it off, just in reverse. Get her nice and tight. Then we can go over to the other side and do the same thing. Now, it's time to go ahead and plug all your plugs back in and get her turned on, right? We swapped her out. She's ready to go. Alrighty guys, with everything hooked back up and turned back on, it's time to peel all that crap off and sit down and watch some TV, right? And you successfully taken down your old monitor, your old TV or monitor, and hung a new one right in its place. And the best thing is, you saved yourself $75. Congrats to you. Money in your pocket. Bye.